Those three words are different. Country means the land where you have authority over. Nation means people of a common origin. When it is from Latin, nativity is to be born. State means organized authority over the country. You can therefore have a country without a state. And you have got many examples where there is a country but there is no state. There is no organized authority over that land. Somalia is one example. There are quite a number of examples. For diplomatic reasons, I don't want to mention them. And